To do a register closure, go over to the left-hand menu and select Register Closures. Then we're going to select Close Register. We're going to select a register closure time. The last one was done on the 16th. This one will be done for the 30th, so it will include all the days leading up to this point. I'm going to click Continue. Now in this window, you'll see a few things. You'll see the date and time range the closure is encompassing. You'll see the total services, retail, tips, taxes, and the total of that. Then you're going to see what your opening cash float was. If you have not done a register closure, this is the box you will enter your first float amount into if you have a float for cash, and this is where you would add any cash removed from the till. Now, if you're using our payment processing, most of what is in this section won't be necessary, because if it's Stripe, our payment processor, it will have the expected and counted already input. There'll really just be a field for cash and any external payments. If you're not using our payment processing, then this section is where you would add the counted amount on your receipt printout from your existing terminal. And then up here at the top right, you see all the sales that were included in this register closure, and you can look at them just from the point of view of which ones were paid by certain payment methods. So we can remove all these and then just look at MasterCard, there weren't any, then just show Visa, etc., or click all of them. If we select all, it will remove all of them as well. And then you hit Save Closure, and that's it.